what is the meaning of polynomial? Poly. This is the word two, poly. And another word, nomial. Nomial. Poly means many. Poly means what? Many. And nomial means the terms. Nomial means? In last class we read about the terms. So there are the terms. How we are using? There are the two things are coming in the terms. One is known as the variable and one is known as constant. Constant, or it is called the coefficient also. Variable, the unknown value. Variable, unknown value. Unknown value. Unknown value. Constant, any numbers. Any numbers which we know the value. Which we know the value. That is called the constant. Like 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 5, 2 by 3, like that all. These are called the things. So polynomial, many terms. So what is the term first? So terms, when any constant and the variable together written, that is known as term. Means what? Again coming, any constant and any variable. Any constant and any variable. Suppose that I taken the 2 and one variable, that is the taken p. This is called the one term. What called is it? One term. Okay. So according to the terms, there are the some nomials are there. Some nomials are there. One is called the number one, monomial. Mono means one. Mono means what? One. Nomial means what? Monomial. One term. One term. One term is known as monomial. One term is known as monomial. Example we can take here. Example I written the suppose that 2 by 3 p. This is the monomial. This is what? Monomial. What is the constant in that? 2 by 3 is the constant. 2 by 3 is the constant. And p is the variable. P is the variable. Variable, that things we don't know the value. The things that we don't know the value, that is called the variable. That is called the variable. So one term is called the monomial. One term is called the monomial. In that, to find the terms, we see only two signs. We see only two signs. One we see the plus sign. Another we see the minus sign. Suppose that this number I written is like a 2 by 3 p plus 9 by 7 p only again, or other pq written. So this is the binomial. 1 and 2. Two terms are there. Two terms. If I written, suppose that this I written as a into. So this is also monomial. This is what? Monomial. We should not consider the sign into and the division. Into and division sign are not considered into the polynomials. Into the monomials or any polynomials. Now coming, in the degrees are coming. Number 2, where the terms are the 2. Okay, no problem. Into and division we should not consider for the polynomial. Number 2, if the terms are the two terms are there, then that is called the binomial. What called that? Binomial. Bi means what? 2. Bi means what? Bi means 2. Two terms are there. How many terms will be there in that? Two terms are there. Two terms will be there. In that there will be the two terms. There will be the two terms. Next example already I given to you. Here example, suppose that I written x plus y. This is the binomial. This is the binomial. Any number you can keep, constant you can keep. Understand? Okay, next. If the number are the 3, terms are the 3, then it is called the trinomial. 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 Tri means what? 3. Tri means what? 3. 3 terms are there. How many terms will be there in that? 3 terms will be there. In that 3 terms will be there. We see only the positive and negative sign only in the terms, not the multiplication and division sign. 3 terms will be there in that. 3 terms. 3 terms will be there. More than 3 terms. Polynomial. Polynomial. Polynomial means more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. Is there? That is called the polynomial. So our topic today, polynomial. What is the degree? Highest power of variable. What is the degree? Highest power of degree. Highest power of variable. highest power of variable is known as degree. Highest power of variable is known as degree. It is known as. Example we are taking. We are taking a one example. Suppose that I written 2x the power 2 plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So in that how much degree? What is the variable? In variable only x. Variable is what? X is the variable. In that both x. What is the highest power in that? Here nothing written. Nothing written means 1. Nothing written means 1. So here 1. Here how much written? 2. So which is the big number? 2 number. So the degree is the what? What is the degree? 2 degree. It is the degree is the 2. How much degree is there in that? 2 degree are there in that. Okay. Now what is the meanings of the degree? If the 1 degree is called, 0 degree is called, 2 degree is called, then what is the names comes? 0 degree. 0 degree. 0 degree means that is only the constant. That is only the. Give the example of the 0 degree polynomial. Okay. Give the example of 0 degree polynomial. 2. Okay. Next anyone? 4. Next
8.
some minus also take.
-8.
Minus 2 by 7. Okay. Anyone. You can. These are the 0 degree polynomial. This is what 0 degree polynomial. In 0 degree polynomial, only the constant. Only the constant. Otherwise, coefficient are there. Next coming 1 degree polynomial. Okay. 1 degree polynomial. 1 degree. 1 degree are polynomials are known as linear equation. What are called that? Linear equation. Okay. 0 degree polynomial, they are the only one solution. Only the no solutions. No solution. 0 solution means that is the number. 0 solutions. 0 solution. Solution. 1 degree is how much solution is there? 1 solution. Linear equation, how many solution will be there? 1 solution will be there. 1 solution. Example 1. Linear degree, linear polynomials or linear equation. Linear equation. Any one degree means you have to keep the power only 1 of any variable. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Any one. You have to keep the power 1. You have to keep the power 1. The general form for 1 degree cell is that AX plus B is equal to 0. This is the general form for the linear equation. What is the general form for linear equation? Sometimes in the exam asking you in the SSLC Karnataka board asking many times what is the right the general form for the linear equation. So what is the general form linear equation? AX plus B is equal to 0. A never will be the 0. A never will be the 0. A never will be the 0. This is the standard form or general form for the linear equation or 1 degree equation. Example giving, we can write 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is which form it is? 1 degree. 1 degree. Which how much degree is there in that? 1 degree. 2 degree. 2 degree means how much solution will be there? 2 solution will be there. 2 solution. Linear equation how much solution? 1 solution. Okay. 0 degree how much solution?
0.
0 solution. No solution. Okay. 2 degree how much solution? 2 solution. How much? What will be the power of that? Highest power will be the 2. Highest power will be the 2. Another name for this is also given quadratic equation. Because of quadratic equation, if we written in that, then it is comes 2 again, 2 only. Next it is coming. We can write in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the 2 degree equation. What is that? 2 degree or the standard form of the quadratic equation. 2 degree equation it is. 2 degree polynomial. 2 degree polynomial. What is the standard form of the 2 degree polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation also. Where the power comes to, wherever power comes to, that is called the quadratic also. Here, quad means 4. Actually, quadratic means 4. But 4 it will become then again 2 only considered for your purpose. Your purpose. Okay, I am using what? For up to the SSLC. Not higher. So this is the, I can give the example, we can give the example, what we can write it? This is all are one variable, only one variable. Pi x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Like that. It is the, how much degree is there? 2 degree. How much degree is there in that? 2 degree. 2 degree. How much solution it has? We will find the solution, then how much solution will come in that? X value will come 2. That is called the root also, that is called the zeros also, and that is called the solution also.